assets when I make my sprite, because I'll be able to copy it. So I'm going to start by making a new asset that is just an image. To keep it simple, I am going to make a yellow face that I'm going to animate going 2 different directions. So I'm going to start by making the eye and the mouth, and my sprite's going to start by facing to the right. All right, I'm going to name my image yellow guy, no spaces, and then save it and be done. So there's my yellow guy facing to the right. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and duplicate it. And then I'm going to edit the one I duplicated, and I want to flip it. Oops. I'm going to hit the triangle there so I can flip it. So now it's facing to the left. So I'm going to rename it yellow guy left. And I also do want him to face up and down, so I'm going to duplicate him again. My yellow face facing to the right, to the left, up, and down. So I'm going to now make it animated. So I'm going to go into my new assets, and I'm going to start an animation. All right, I'm going to have to make my yellow guy again. I'm going to fill it in. Give him an eye and a mouth. Okay, so over here I see the first picture of my animation. I'm going to duplicate this picture, and then I'm going to change it slightly. So I'm going to go ahead and make the mouth open just a little bit. I'm going to make the mouth open that much. Then I'm going to block out part of this. So hopefully it looks like the mouth is opening. All right, maybe it is open just a little bit. I'm going to duplicate it and open the mouth a little bit more. So this time, I want to see what this looks like. So if I click play over here at the top, it'll show me what it looks like. Well, it kind of looks silly, but okay, the yellow guy moving. There it is. Now I want to edit this, and I want to flip it. So now it's my yellow guy moving left. Okay, I'm going to duplicate that I don't need. I have my yellow guy moving to the right, moving to the left, moving up, moving down. I think I have all the directions covered, so I'm ready to go back to my regular game code. So I'm gonna, let me check this out, see if everything works. At the beginning, I just have my sprite sitting there. If I push the right button, he's animated to the right. If I push my left button, it's animated to the left. Up looks like it's working. Down looks like it's working. Nice. All right, that's how you animate your sprite. So I'm gonna start by making a background that's easier to see my guy on. So, oops, I want to set the color. Set background color, there it is. I'm gonna give my yellow guy a background color of white so I can see it pretty easily. And then at the beginning, I'm going to tell it what my sprite is. I'm just gonna start with my sprite being my yellow guy facing right. I need to tell the game to move my sprite with buttons. All right, there we go. So now I'm gonna have a little bit of fun. I'm going to go into controller and say on button A pressed. Now I'm gonna change it to say if my right button is being pressed. If my right button is being pressed, I want my sprite to be animated. Oops, go back. The computer's being glitchy and silly today. All right, I'm gonna go into my gallery, or sorry, my assets, and I'm going to find my yellow guy that's moving down. There's my yellow guy moving right. So I'm gonna put that in there. So if I push the right button, my yellow guy moves to the right. I'm gonna duplicate this and change it to if my yellow guy is moving left. Then I have to go in here in my frames, go into my assets, and find the left moving one, which is this one. Oh, I think I messed something up though. Oh, I know what I did. I forgot to turn every guy. I forgot to flip every guy. So let me go flip every picture here to make sure he's always moving left. I forgot to do that. Okay, so now my yellow guy is moving left. I'm gonna right